Hey guys, today is Wednesday the 21st. Hang on one second. I'm videotaping, okay? Sorry guys, today's Wednesday the 21st, and here are your notes for this evening. Make sure you write them down in your composition book. As you know, we will check to make sure you have. Okay, literal equations. Basically, what you're going to be given is an equation, and you're going to be asked to solve for the indicated variable. And some of these formulas may look familiar to you, others may not. Okay, example number 1. We have the formula I is equal to PRT. And what I want you to solve for is P. So what you're going to do is I box in P, and I think to myself, okay, I want to solve for P, so I need to get rid of everything that's on the same side. So I need to think of what's being done to P. Well, what's being done to P is I'm multiplying it by RT. So I need to undo that. So if I'm multiplying by RT, the inverse operation would be divide by RT. Now the R's and the T's cancel, and you're left with P is equal to I over RT. Okay, number 2. Okay, another familiar formula. And I'm solving for B. Okay, so I think of what's being done to B. Well, first of all, as you know, we need to clear out that fraction. So I'm multiplying by 1/2, so the inverse of multiplying by 1/2 would be, excuse me, okay, sorry about that, I got sidetracked. Okay, so I'm multiplying by 1/2, so I need to divide by 1/2, which really, if you think about it, is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal, so it's 2. So if I multiply both sides by 2, I don't know why I wrote that there. My 2's cancel, and that leaves me with 2a is equal to b over h. Now, I'm still trying to solve for b, so I need to divide by h. So now b is equal to 2 times a over h. Now remember, you can pause this at any time and replay it. Okay, example number 3. Okay, so here I have my formula. A is equal to 1/2 h times base 1 plus base 2, the sum of base 1 and base 2. And I want to solve for base 1. So I box in base 1, and I think about what's being done to base 2. Okay, I'm multiplying base 1 by 1/2 h, so I need to get rid of that first. So let's multiply, clear out that denominator, multiply by 2. My 2's go away, and I multiply the other side. So h, b1 plus b2. Again, I'm still solving for base 1, so I need to divide by h. So when I divide both sides by h, that's what I'm left with. I'm still not where I want to be. I want base 1. So now I'm going to get rid of base 2 by subtracting. So I have 2a over h minus base 2 is equal to base 1. And then the last one, another familiar formula, area is equal to pi r squared. And I want to solve for r. Now I want to solve for r, not r squared. Just shut my door. Sorry, guys. So I want to solve for r, not for r squared. So what I need to do is divide by pi. My pi's go away. Leaves me with a over pi is equal to r squared. I want to solve for r, so we all know that if I take the square root of r squared, that's going to leave me with r. But what I do to one side, again, I've got to do to the other. So if I take the square root of one side, I have to take the square root of the other. And then I write it with my variable on the left. So r is equal to the square root of a over pi. Now I want you to try these. Okay. Do those two problems and make sure you put those in your book, and we will see you tomorrow.